Different cities, different skies, it's only right I see. Eyes closed, mind blown, different home. Every night with me. She a sight to see. Cartier glasses on tight, she kinda bright and sweet. Nightlife and close your eyes with me. Yeah, shit get deep, like feces and creep. Passport heavy, yeah, the vision stay clean. I move how I feel, not just when the light is green. I ain't lost, I actually made it on time.
Let's try to do this for the police get us. For the police stop us. Right now we doing Fremont. We doing Fremont Street. A Fremont Street walking tour. Let's see how far we could get before the police shut us down. So you got a bunch of lights just before sunset. Let's see how much we could get before the police stop us. They said we ain't supposed to fly the drone, but I'm trying to sneak and get as much as I can. Look, and the police right there. They might see us, but let's try to hurry up and get past. Hopefully they don't try to arrest me. Hopefully they don't try to arrest me. Should be good enough. Footage, great footage.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I got scared with the drone. Look, the feds watching. But we're gonna continue the tour.
POV. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And you could get better angles like this too. So the drone is a little bit limited. At least I wanted to start the video right off with the drone. Hopefully we got some good footage.
But we gonna. This is what Las Vegas is like at night. Let's unbox it.
Can I go before? You get too serious?
Let's see what he's talking about. We missed the sunset. We got a whole bunch of people though. Just leaving far east side. And we're leaving far east side, Fremont Street. And we heading to the Fremont Street experience. See what that's like. Yeah. No go-go girls up tonight. Or maybe it's not dark enough yet. From my point of view. I did want to just show y'all the Eagles jersey. That's why
I wanted the drone so y'all can see what kind of jersey I had on.
But yeah, it's a vibe, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Nobody bringing it to you like I'm bringing it to you. Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. I wonder if we could cross the street or it might be too late. Police are ganged up. At least I got some drone footage for y'all. Sun is starting to go down. Come the crowd. Like we all fighting for something.
What is it today?
All the lights ain't on yet. Not getting a full experience just yet. Yeah, man. Welcome to fabulous downtown Las Vegas, Nevada. People come here to get married, huh? Or do people come here to find love?
You love magic, come check me out.
Yeah, so here we go. Oh, it looks so much better when it gets darker. Might be here too early, but we're gonna get that footage for y'all. Early is never too early, late is never too late. So we finna see what the city like when the lights come on and the sun go down. Crystal clear too. Las Vegas for you. I think people actually come here to find love. It's crazy. Say these the biggest TV screens in the world. I believe it. And then you can see the zip lines. People go up there to do the zip line. Yeah. Zip line. Oh, there goes the show, girl. There go my thumbnail. As you can see, man, it's lit. Popular attraction for tourists. Crowded, beyond crowded. What? They can do this? Or not? There go the Man, this is Vegas, huh? Vegas. I would. I ain't got no cash on me. No cash on me. Does the strip ever end right here? Does Fremont Street ever end? Yeah, it is lit, man. Lit.
Volunteers, check it out. This is getting ready to happen. This is about to be my very dangerous destiny. One of my brothers are doing it. I don't know which one of them is. He said he's going to be the one that he's not that good for you guys' safety. Hands by your side. Head straight. Whatever it is, don't move. If you move, chubby wubby slash little leprechaun, you will be the first to meet you there at Las Vegas tonight. That's right. Welcome to Las Vegas. Nobody moves? Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to see more, say yeah! Everybody say, oh yeah! Say, do it, sexy black guy! That's right, so wait a minute, Ronnie, we gonna give him diabetes. He said that with authority. He loves triple chocolate after midnight, Mr. Cream. That's right, so ladies and gentlemen, check it out.
Yeah, so it's so crazy. You got the Las Vegas shirt.
do it all